Hi, I'm Darci of Darci Decorates, and today we're going to make rainbow cupcakes. So the first thing we got to do is put frosting on them. I'm using a 24-inch bag with tip number 826, and I'm putting in the regular frosting. And I put the links below for the frosting recipe and the items that I use. Now that we have my bag filled, I'm going to be putting a swirl on top of each cupcake. And I start from the outside and I work my way in. Remember to keep moving your rotation when you stop squeezing. That way you get a really nice ending top instead of like a point like that. Okay, so I'm going to just continue and frost them all. And we have the last one. All right, now we're ready to apply the color. So I'm gonna do rainbow, which really consists of the primary colors, the red, yellow, and blue. And if you do it right, you're gonna get the greens and the oranges. I'm gonna be using food coloring spray. I'm gonna be spraying red on one side, blue on the other, and yellow down the center. And the reason I do that is because red and yellow will make orange, and yellow and blue will make the green, like a rainbow. All right, so what I'm gonna do is tilt my spray can, and I'm gonna kind of do like a crescent, like a spray on each cupcake, a little crescent spray like this. And the reason I kind of want it to wrap around is so that the colors overlap. But I want to make sure I leave some whites in the center for the yellow. There. Now I'm gonna spin the tray around and do the red. And red is a really strong color, so like you see how I'm like a half a second. Oh my gosh, look, red, white, and blue for 4th of July. There you go. But if you see, you've got a little bit of a purple going on. But the strongest overlap you're gonna get is with the yellow. So I'm gonna go right down the center. Hopefully I'm gonna get all the white. There, yay! I'm so excited, look! So we have the blue and some green and some yellow and some orange and purple a little and red. Now what I'm gonna do is just put some sprinkles on. And I've got rainbow colored Nonpareils, little balls that just sprinkle right on. And they're gonna stick really well because I just sprayed the food coloring. There you have it, rainbow cupcakes. Thanks for watching. I'm Darci. Happy decorating.